Good morning and happy weekend. Oh, it's Saturday. I want to just take a quick minute and show you, I have been making my own alternative milk. I can't do regular milk and it's getting really expensive to buy any of the others. So I have usually bought oat milk. I buy the zero sugar and it is $4.49 for a half a gallon now. So I have learned how to make my own. If you like all the sweet, I use it for my protein shakes. That's all I do. So it's not like it's a big deal for flavor to flavor other things. So I'm going to show you. I have a Pampered Chef, can't even think what it's called, blender. And that's what I've used. And I played with it a little bit and gotten it down to the consistency, because if you don't do it right, it'll end up being kind of slimy. You know how oatmeal is. So you got to get past all that starchiness to get it to where it's a consistency that you like. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. And it takes a cup. I make small batches because I don't need a lot. So I use 1 cup of oats and 4 cups of water. And then I just turn on to the alternate milk setting on my blender, and it takes care of the rest. It heats it and stuff. It's just how it does the milk. And I think it helps. So you have to kind of play with yours. And I found that if you do less, it's kind of slimy. If I don't do the 5 minutes on the setting, it's a little slimy for me. And then you do have to shake it every morning because it will separate. So you just shake it. And I used an old creamer container, took the label off, and that's what I use to hold my stuff so I can see that I need to shake it and how much I have. Easy peasy. 4 cups of water, 1 cup of oats. And this guy here, Pampered Chef blender. And let it go. Soak it all. I just throw them in there all together, and I'm going to turn it on. And with this, you just turn the dial till it comes to the alternate milk, and then push the button. And that's it. Now it's done. So all you gotta do is you just take it off here and plug my thing. And it's warm because it does a heating process with it. I'm not sure exactly. So you can do almond milk, you can do any type of milk. I just do the oat milk because it's cheap and easy. With these things, you don't want to submerge this part of the blender into the water, because this is where all the electronic components go to the top, to the base. And I'm going to clean out my container to put this in and put it in the fridge to cool. So it's nice and cool. You use it as you desire. You can use any type of oats that you want. That's pretty much it. So because I started out with the oat milk back when it was $1.99 a half gallon, which isn't bad because I'm the only one that drinks it. And now it's up to $4.49, and that is just ridiculous. So what does a half a cup of oats cost? I mean, a cup of oats, who knows? It's like, what, $5 for a whole thing? So do the math. It saves you a lot of money. If you don't have this blender, I think you can use a Vitamix. You can use any of those type of things that do those particular things. Just follow the directions, and that is it. Easy peasy. And just make sure you always have enough, cooled off that you can use it. So I used up the rest that I had for my protein shake this morning, and then I'll put this in the fridge and have it for tomorrow. Right, have a great day. I just wash it out every time, a plastic creamer container, pour it in there. I'm going to put it in the fridge to chill, and it'll be ready for my use in the morning. So, and if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and I will continue to make different little cost-efficient help tips, maybe some cooking tips. Maybe you'll just see a life of a grandma doing silly things with their grandkids. So Have a great weekend. Bye.